front of me is DOOGEE V20, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS launcher on this Android. Firstly, access Play Store and click on the search bar right away. Now you need to type in iOS launcher and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, tap on open and wait for the pop-ups to show up. When they do, you need to select allow and while using the app in all of them. So while using, allow and allow. Now click on home button. Over here you need to tap on iOS launcher, click on always and tap on got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my DOOGEE smartphone. But you can always switch between your layouts if you wish to by going into devices settings and tapping on apps and notifications. Now scroll down, choose advanced and click on default apps. Lastly, tap on home app and click on quick step to go back into your default launcher. If you wish to go back to iOS 1 though, just click on iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!